Okay, so just very quickly on these two, because the video didn't work the first time I wrote this out, so I'm just going to go over it one more time. The answers are already there. If you say, find the reciprocal of something, reciprocal, we usually think of fractions. You're literally just flipping the fractions. A lot of you tried to change it to a negative. I think you were thinking the negative reciprocal, which is what you need to use when you're dealing with perpendicular lines and their gradients. So this isn't a negative reciprocal. You don't need to change the sign, but you do need to flip it. If we change 1.6 into a fraction, that allows us to then flip it to get the reciprocal, and I can then turn that into a decimal. Now 5b, as soon as you see that something is rounded to a certain degree of accuracy, there's a strong chance it's to do with bounds. Now if it's to one decimal place and the result is 9.8, the smallest that can be is 9.75, and the biggest it can be, some people are sometimes a bit wary putting this in because they think 9.85, that'll round to 9.9. But we go, in this case, we're going 0.05 either way, so our lower bound is 9.75, our upper bound is 9.85, and then in the inequality I can use the signs to show that I'm including 9.75, but it's going to be less than 9.85. For question 7, I'll let you just look at the answer. You can pause it if you need to, but just be aware of the fact that it says give your answer as an ordinary number. A lot of you did it like this in standard form, which is good. It shows that you understand standard form and you know what you're doing. But as an ordinary number, it should end up looking like this. So just try it again.